Imagine a world suddenly plunged into darkness. No glowing streetlights, no humming power grids, no buzzing cell phones. This is not a scene from a post-apocalyptic movie, but rather an alarming reality that could unfold within a 24-hour time span due to a phenomenon called a coronal-mass-ejection, or CME. A CME is an explosive outburst of plasma and magnetic fields from the sun's corona. These massive solar eruptions are both beautiful and terrifying, as they unleash billions of tons of solar particles into space. The sun, while seemingly serene and distant, acts as a colossal engine of energy, capable of hurling devastating solar flares toward Earth. Most CMEs are absorbed by our planet's magnetic shield, but their power can occasionally exceed this natural defense. When such an event spirals toward Earth, it poses severe threats to our technological infrastructure, with the potential to disrupt global communications, satellites, and the power grid. An extreme event, a so-called Carrington-class event, has the potential to cause unprecedented global disruption. The term Carrington-class refers to a solar storm that matches or exceeds the magnitude of the solar storm of 1859, named after astronomer Richard Carrington. Observers at the time witnessed a CME so potent that it electrified telegraph lines, caused fires, and rendered the auroras visible as far south as the Caribbean. If such a storm were to hit Earth today, the repercussions would be catastrophic, disrupting the technology on which modern civilization is inherently reliant. In recent times, coronal mass ejections have been known to disrupt satellite operations. One famous instance involves the Starlink satellite constellation. In February 2022, a moderate CME collided with Earth, leading to a geomagnetic storm that caused the atmospheric drag to increase. This phenomenon rendered approximately 40 newly launched Starlink satellites inoperable, causing them to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere and disintegrate. This highlights the vulnerability of even short-duration solar events to severely impact our technological infrastructure. Faced with this looming threat, mitigation efforts are paramount. Satellite operators like SpaceX are continually refining their deployment and operation strategies. They are now integrating enhanced forecasting capabilities to anticipate potential disruptions and ensure the resilience of their constellations. Adjustments in satellite trajectories, reinforcing electronic hardware, and initiating optional power-down procedures during solar storms are some of the many steps undertaken to mitigate risk. To further prepare for the likelihood of future extreme events, governments and organizations worldwide are investing in solar observation satellites that monitor the sun's activity closely. These tools enhance predictive modeling capabilities, allowing experts to provide early warnings and take necessary precautions. However, beyond governments and corporations, it is imperative for individuals to also recognize the potential implications of CMEs and take precautionary measures. So, as much as we advance as a tech-driven civilization, it is essential to remain vigilant and prepared. To conclude, here's a basic preparedness checklist to consider in anticipation of a Carrington-class solar event. First, reduce dependence on electronic communication by learning key contact numbers and having a physical copy. Stock up on essential non-perishable items and water for a brief interruption in services. Maintain a charged and efficient portable battery charger to ensure essential devices remain operational and configure crucial information, like printable maps and reference guides, in hard copy. Regularly back up essential digital data using offline storage devices. Finally, stay informed via trusted news channels and platforms that disseminate timely space weather forecasts. Our continued understanding of solar phenomena stands as a testament to human ingenuity. However, in the face of a powerful CME, preparedness is key to safeguarding our way of life. In this age, where technology is indispensable, a little foresight can indeed go a long way.